Welcome back, where strategy meets profit. This is PJC Global. If you are new to Forex and you are tired of fake gurus, confusing strategies, losing money before you even understand what Forex is all about, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how the beginners should start trading Forex in a smart way. Simple step, no hypes, no confusing strategy, no gambling, just a real knowledge that can save you money and time also. Now this video is being classified into 3 sessions. Number 1 session where we'll be talking about what Forex is all about. Number 2 session where we'll be talking about the biggest beginner mistake, and number 3 session where we'll be talking about smart beginners roadmap. So number 1, Forex simply means exchange of one currency to another. For example, euro USD simply means euro against dollar, euro against US dollar. As a trader, we make money by predicting whether price will go up or down. But understand this, Forex is not a magic. It's just a pure skill, it's a knowledge, and it's a patience. Before you can be able to make money in the Forex industry, you have to have the skills first. You have to seek for the knowledge first. Once you seek for the knowledge, you have to be patient, and once you are patient, you have to be disciplined before you can be able to make money. You can't just start learning Forex today or last week and you say you want to make money in the market without knowing the psychology behind the market or the currency pair you are trading. So you can make money by either predicting whether market will go up or market will push down. But before you do that, as a beginner, it is easy for you to enter the chart, click buy or sell, and maybe you might be lucky, market might go to your direction, but that is not trading. As a beginner, I'm trying to let you know right now that after learning Forex, you have to seek for this, you have to master the skill that you have been learned before. You have to master the skill. Once you master the skill, you have to be patient. You have to be patient, because not every time you are going to expect your strategy. You are not going to see your strategy playing out on the chart every time. So once you learn everything that revolves around Forex, you have to be patient enough. And when you are patient enough to wait for your strategy to appear, you wait for your A+ setup to appear, then you have to be disciplined enough to stick to your rules that you have write out. Once you are learning, you have to also write out your rules that you are going to follow. Then once you are disciplined and once you are patient enough, I bet you're gonna make it in this Forex industry. The number 2 session is the biggest mistake the beginners do. And most beginners fail these 3 things. Number 1, they trade without learning. Number 2, they risk too much too early. Number 3, they follow signal blindly. Number 1, they trade without learning. You can't just enter Forex, or maybe you heard about Forex in the YouTube, you heard about Forex in the Instagram or Facebook or TikTok. You just open your MT5 and start clicking buy or sell. It's not done that way. You have to learn. You understand? Before you can be able to understand anything in this Forex market, you have to learn the skills first. Forex is a skill. It's just a skill that you can just learn at anywhere, YouTube. But before you do that, before you trade, you have to learn first. Before you do anything, before you even learn how to do all this carpenter work, you have to learn it. before you learn how to, before you do electrical work, you have to learn it. So that is also applicable to forex. Before you start trading forex, you have to learn it first. And the number two mistake the beginners do early is they risk too much too early. You can't just see Mr. A making $1,000 and you as a beginner, you just came to the forex industry last month or last week and you expect to also get $1,000 Mr. A is making off from the chart. No, it's not done that way. You have to gradually risk the amount you can be able to afford to lose, from $10, $20, $50, depending on your risk appetite. Yeah, you have to simply risk the amount of money that you can be able to lose. Don't go about risking too much of your capital, risking too much of your money because you are seeing Mr. B making thousands of dollars, withdrawing thousands of dollars from the market, and you decide to go to the market also to withdraw thousands of dollars. No, it's not done that way. Market will humble you. Yeah, market will always find a way to humble you for you to learn and adapt. Number third mistake the beginners do is they follow signal blindly. As a beginner, or as someone that is trading for the past 2 years now, I will tell you for free that don't join any signal group. Yeah, don't join any signal group. You can just learn from them, know what they are doing, and apply it in your own particular way. But don't join signal group. Or even though you want to join signal group, make sure that it is your mentor's signal group, the person that taught you how to trade forex. Make sure that you join his signal group if at all that you want to join. But don't join signal group randomly. Don't see Mr. A, for example, you join Happy Forex signal group, you join Jeffrey signal group, you join Kojo signal group, you join PJC Global signal group. It doesn't done that way. Yeah, it's either you join your mentor signal group only, so that when you didn't see any chart, when you didn't see any setup, your boss or your mentor might see setup and drop it in your signal group. That is how you can be able to benefit from there. But if you join signal group randomly, Mr. A might post you should sell gold right now, while Mr. B might say you should buy gold right now, so you'll be confused. So that is the thing the beginner do at their early stage that makes them unprofitable. So I'm telling you this thing for free. If you can be able to avoid all these three mistakes, you are already ahead of many people. Yeah. Now the session 3 I'm about to tell you right now is the smart beginners roadmap. How you can be able to maneuver all these mistakes and how you can be able to outsmart other beginners. If you are watching this video right now, this video is for you. Here is the first, and this is how you are going to start trading the smart way. Number one, use a demo account first. Don't start with a live account. Use a demo account. When you are trading, or when you want to learn how to do something, you have to first practice. Yeah, practice with a demo account. Don't start with a live account. This will make you to understand the industry you are about to enter, how it is being done. When you lose 5 cents in a demo account, it is also applicable when you are losing it in your live account, just that there is the emotion is not there. So when you also lose 5 cents in your live account and you haven't lose 5 cents in the demo account, man, you are going to quit forex at the earliest stage. You are going to quit. So I advise you to start with a demo account first. Learn support and resistance. This is very, very important. Learn support and resistance. Number 3, step 3, learn master risk management. Yeah, step 1 is use a demo account first to trade. Step 2 is learn support and resistance. Step 3 is master risk management. You have to master risk management in that your demo account you are using to trade. Master risk management. Step 4, focus on only one strategy. Focus on only one strategy. Step 5, be consistent. If you can be able to do all these 5 things that I have mentioned right now, I bet you are going to be profitable in the forex market. You are going to be very, very profitable. As a beginner, you are going to be profitable. One good setup is better than random trade or random setup that you are about to take. Focus on only a plus setup, a quality setup that can give you at least 1:2 ROR, 1:3 ROR, 1:4 ROR above. Don't trade 1:1 ROR. I don't advise this as a beginner, yeah, because you don't have enough capital to be able to carry you along in that journey of trading 1:1 ROR. Focus on 1:3 ROR, 1:4 ROR maximum. Yeah, one good setup is better than a random trade you are about to take. Now, remember this: market always reward the disciplined traders. Market always reward the disciplined trade. You can write this thing in your jotter, you can write it anywhere, in your laptop, in your book. Always remember this: this forex market, the forex industry reward only the disciplined traders, not emotional traders, not impatient traders. If you stay focused and keep learning this forex market, you are going to improve. I bet you this for free. You are going to improve. This, if you got any value from this video, subscribe to PJC Global, because on this channel we trade smart, we trade smart, we learn smart, and we grow smart. Drop a comment below as a are you a beginner or already trading? Let's see in the next video. Peace and love.